This is Kumar. Your age?
23.
23, still young, ha? Guys, bata pa to si Kumar. Ito yung isa sa mga staff. Kaya magagawa kami ngayon ng i-Englishin ko ngayon, tatranslate na sa Tamil. Kumar, I do English, I translate in Tamil, India. So, what is happy birthday in Tamil?
இனிய பிறந்த நாள் வாழ்த்துக்கள்.
இனிய
பிறந்த நாள்
பிறந்த நாள்
வாழ்த்துக்கள்.
Waltikal.
Yeah.
Wah,
இனிய
ang hirap.
Panjang. Pure Tamil.
Pure Tamil. Pure Tamil daw po yun. Kaya tandaan nyo. Again?
இனிய
Inia
பிறந்த நாள்
Pirandanal
வாழ்த்துக்கள்.
Waltikal. What is good morning in Tamil?
காலை வணக்கம்.
Kalay Banakom. Wow. Kalay Banakom. A bit. Okay. Pinagpapawisan ako. Hirap intindihin ng ni Kumar. Nila, lingwahe nila. Tamil. Tamilado, right?
Tamilado.
In Tamil, how many language do you have?
One only ko yan.
One.
Tapi India
India?
many.
Many. For example, what?
Hindi,
Hindi,
Tamil,
Tamil,
Kannadam,
Kannadam,
Malayam,
Malayam,
Keralam.
Kerala.
Kerala. Ya, Kerala
Then?
ani pun ada macam language. Ada banyak ko ya.
Oh,
Aku lupa sudah. Tapi banyak ada.
so same thing in Philippines also. For example,
Maybe
I want to eat now.
Eat now. Sikiram sapude.
Sikram sapude. Sapude
Sapude
means
means eat.
eat. Sapude means eat.
Eating. Sapude.
Sapude. Nice,
Ni sapude. Ni.
Ni sapude means
Means you.
you. Me.
Me.
So,
You.
sapude,
You call me kaya.
Eat.
You sapude. Ni sapude.
me sapude.
You
Okay.
eat.
You eat. Ngayon alam nyo na guys. Kaya kayong nanonood dyan, nakikinig. Tandaan nyo ganun yun. Malay nyo, mapunta kayo sa India. Who knows? Maybe my viewers will go to India someday, right? Your contract, Kumar?
3 years.
Already 3 years, but you already 1 year here.
1 year. 1 year, 3 6 months.
Isang taon na siya dito, guys. 1 year and 6 months. Kumar, you say in my vlog in Tamil, say how are you, say to my viewers in Tamil.
How are you? எப்படி இருக்க?
எப்படி இருக்கீங்க? எப்படி இருக்கா?
நார்மலா இருக்கா கேக்குறதா நாம? அவன் பேசுறதான் கேக்குறேன்.
Hindi ko na yun alam, guys. Bahala na kayo mag-intindi.
Very hard.
Very hard to understand, but I try my best. Okay. What is handsome boy in Tamil? This is handsome boy.
Wow.
What is handsome boy in Tamil, Kumar?
அழகா இருக்கீங்க. அழகா. அழகா இருக்க.
Santi. Alaha, Erika.
அழகா.
Alaga.
Alagaan kita.
Hirap, guys. Ito. Anong sabi mo? Alaga? Sino alagaan mo?
Wala
Single ka naman. Tapos. Greet my viewers in
Do like
Tamil.
this.
Landry. Landry means
Thank you.
thank you. Okay. Guys, thank you daw. Okay, papa-translate ko kay Kumar yung Kumar, what is rice in India?
Sadam.
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 Sadam, ang hirap. If the chicken,
Koli.
Koli.
Curry.
What?
Koli curry. अच्छा
Koli
मेरी
curry.
chicken means koli.
Koli. Curry means?
Curry means karila.
Okay. So, koli curry.
Koli curry.
Wala, mahirap talaga. Kuli na lang. Pwede na siguro ito. If I say kuli,
Koli.
okay also.
Macam bentuk satu ayam lah.
Whole chicken. Kuli means whole chicken. If the leg only, if like this one, so means
Koli curry.
kuli curry.
Beef curry ini macam.
Beef curry. Beef curry ka? Kali.
Curry. Semua curry sedap.
Kailangan mag-aral talaga tayo ng nito. Maybe I need dictionary. Maybe I need dictionary, guys. Ang hirap intindihin, pero
Marami din kasi sila dito. Marami din mga Indiano dito. Mababait sila, guys. Ano sila, friendly sila dito. Madali lang silang palakaibigan sila. Madali lang silang maka-adapt sa sa lugar dito. What is father in Tamil language?
Appa. Father means Appa.
Apa?
Mother means Amma.
Ama.
Son, Magan.
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 Sister?
Sister, Akka.
Akak. Good night, Kumar.
Good night. Iravu vanakkam.
What?
Iravu.
Erabo.
Iravu. Iravu vanakkam.
Erabo ba na ko? Mahirap pa rin.
Please subscribe and like and follow.